What is up, y'all? So today it's quiet in the shop, but we are doing, as you can see, upper control arm because we got it as an assembly and we need to do the ball joint. It's pretty thrashed from my last snow video. You guys will see that down below or on my channel if you want to. Got the wheel off already. About to just pop this nut off. Hopefully this freely goes in. Same on either side. They've got these little weird things, but I think it's pretty straightforward. 21, 21. Something like a 19, maybe a 21. Shove it in. Zap her down. Call it done. I wish it came with the new hardware for these nuts, but it came with new hardware there, so I'm happy. So yeah, I'll show you guys that now. Country channel. Oh shit. Let's go. That was one take. No way. Anyways, back at it. Plastic in the way, so I'm like bringing it behind the plastic. Yeah. And go, oh, that's, oh! Oh, come on, go a little further. Uh-huh.
Is this thing gonna, are these things gonna fly up?
What? No, it should settle right where it is. Oh no!
Yeah, I gotta.
Damn it! It's because the adapter.
I got one of those. Well, I got one of those swivel attachments where I can go like
quick
a whole 180.
Quick disconnect.
This, yeah, that. This is.
No, I feel like I'm gonna cut my hand open.
If I can get in there.
Just because I have to hold it so low.
Yeah. Don't be careful with that sensor, that wire.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like I could just bust it loose. Can I see the vice grips?
Damn it.
Supposed to be a simple job. Drop the whole coil.
Just drop it down.
Disconnect the top hat. Now we gotta disconnect the bottom because it's still not enough. What the fuck?
And this is 22.
See, we got the space to do it now.
You got Velcro?
Oh. There it is. Sorry about this. All good. So that's the back side. That's the front side. Cool. That one broke. So as you can see, we had to get real creative to cut this off. We cut it off once. I got footage of Mikey helping me out with that, but then we didn't realize that where we cut it, there was a sleeve stopping it from going all the way through. We needed to cut it lower, so I had to recut it. And look at this sketchy disc. It's coming apart. It was worse when I started, so I guess it's gonna be okay. But yeah, you can see on top of there, I got real personal with it. If I can find that sleeve piece, I will. Just to show you guys. Where did it go? I don't know where it went to. Maybe I'll find it in a minute. Anyways, I'm gonna throw everything back together.
My face in the pillow to asphyxiate the sound. I call myself to sleep, but I'm too scared that I might drown. I'm calling for the Sandman, but I don't think he's in town. Cause all these sleepless nights and running thoughts have got me down. I wish I had a sudden case of narcolepsy. So we can smoke the best weed. Nice so I can calm my body. Talk about things that we really don't need. As I lay in my bed, in my head I'm running circles. Stuck in the land of low light and infomercials. It's insomnia, kid. You know what's driving me crazy? The only can save me is an overdose.
Colorful grip. Caress me down. Love and sound. Caress me down. Love and sound.
Let go. A lot of pressure in the middle of those shoulders. And we ain't getting
Oh my God. Okay, so just so you know, everything that went wrong and that could have gone wrong did go wrong. We twisted up the ABS wire. We couldn't fit one of the shims in. And our sway bar link end completely broke off. So we'll be getting right back under here very soon. We'll throw the wheel back on and see you guys later. What is up, guys? So, I'm lucky I didn't hit that just now. But anyways, one thing after the next goes wrong. We got it back together. First the bushings were very snug and couldn't get the washers / dust covers on. And then when I got the dust covers / washers on, once I got them on, they basically snapped and disintegrated, and then I tried to fix them, and then we realized that the sway bar end link had to come off in order to get to the nut, because after all that cutting and everything to take it off so I didn't have to remove the sway bar end link, I realized after all that cutting I have to take it off anyways to reinstall it, because I can't reinstall it by hand, and I can't. So like I said, they're a diamond, so anyways, you guys saw all that. I don't need to get all too far into it, but yeah, so the sway bar end link is completely snapped, and we're gonna have to get a new one, which means we're gonna be right back up under there next weekend, which is no big deal really. We'll get her done. So yeah, without further ado, peace out. Y'all have a good night, be safe. See you guys next week.